Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 16 on first order ordinary differential equations. In lecture number 15, we have seen how certain type of differential equations can be converted into linear differential equations. So if we recall that in lecture 15, we have seen that if our differential equation is in this form, with px we have function of y, and with dy by dx we have derivative of this function equal to some function of x. So in previous lecture we have seen that if our differential equation is in this form, then it can be converted into linear differential equation by the transformation of dependent variable from y to v by this substitution, f of y equal to v. Now in this equation y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Now sometimes if our differential equation cannot be written in this form, then we can check that if we consider x as dependent variable, then our differential equation can be expressed in this type of equation or not. So if we interchange the role of x and y, then we will have this differential equation. Instead of y I am writing x, and instead of x I am writing y. F dash x dx by dy. Here I have px, so instead of x I write y. Here I consider fx equal to r of y. So in this equation x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. So role of x and y is interchanged. So if our differential equation is not in this form, we can try to check that if it is in this form or not. So if our differential equation can be written in this form, then also method is same. We will assume this fx equal to some another variable, say v. But here we will be careful that here x is dependent variable. So here x is a function of y. So whatever variable we will change, here v is going to be function of y because x is a function of y. V is equal to function of x and x is all equal to function of y. Therefore v will be a function of y. And here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, and we are taking f of y equal to v. So because y is a function of x, here v is a function of x. Otherwise method is same. We will assume fx equal to v, and then we will find out all these things and substitute in the given equation. And we will remember this substitution, that instead of f of x we will consider new dependent variable v, and where v is unknown function of y. So after this substitution, this equation will be converted into linear differential equation in which v is dependent variable and y is independent variable. So with this in mind, we consider one example to understand this type of differential equations, how they can be converted into linear differential equation. So if you observe this equation, we are not able to write down this equation in this form, that some function of x into f of y plus dy by dx into derivative of this function equal to rx. We can observe that this differential equation cannot be expressed in this form. If we take this on left hand side, then also we will not be able to write down this differential equation in this form due to addition of these two functions of x and y. So instead of converting in this form, we will interchange the role of x and y. We will consider dx by dy. We will try to convert our differential equation in this form. Here I consider fx equal to r of y. So with py I have function of x, and with dx by dy I will check whether I can adjust f dash x or not. And on the right hand side we must have function of y only. So now we try to write down or try to express this differential equation in this type of equation, and let us see whether we are able to write this equation in that form. So first I require dx by dy, so I take reciprocal of both sides. So this I can rewrite as e raised to 2x plus y square over y cube, and this we can rewrite as e raised to 2x divided by y cube plus y square over y cube, that is 1 by y. Therefore now we rewrite this as, we take this minus 1 by y on this side, and here we keep this as it is, e raised to 2x over y cube. Now right hand side must be a function of y only, so we can divide by e raised to 2x. So in the next step we divide both sides by e raised to 2x. Dividing by e raised to 2x or multiplying by e raised to minus 2x, we get e raised to minus 2x dx by dy minus 1 by y e raised to minus 2x equal to 1 over y cube. So here now we have function of y into e raised to minus 2x equal to 1 over y cube. So we give this number 1, and we can change the dependent variable which is x to new dependent variable, say v, and we consider e raised to minus 2x equal to v. Now we have to differentiate both sides with respect to y. Here we will be careful that our dependent variable is x and independent variable is y. New dependent variable is v, independent variable remains as it is. Differentiate with respect to y. We have, so here we can write one more step, d by dy of e raised to minus 2x equal to dv by dy. Now here derivative is with respect to y, and here we have function of x, and x is also a function of y. So by chain rule, first we differentiate e raised to minus 2x with respect to x, and in the product we will consider derivative of x with respect to y. Derivative of e raised to minus 2x is e raised to minus 2x into minus 2 into dx by dy. This is by chain rule, equal to dv by dy, and here we require e raised to minus 2x dx by dy. So we can take this minus 1 by minus 2 on the right hand side, and we will have this is equal to minus 1/2 times dv by dy. So we give this number 2 and we give this number 3, and we use 2 and 3 in 1. Using equations 2 and 3 in 1, we obtain, so this equation 3 gives this quantity equal to minus 1/2 dv by dy, minus 1/2 dv by dy, and here we have to put e raised to minus 2x equal to v. So we have minus v divided by y, or minus 1 by y into v equal to 1 over y cube. And this is linear, but we write it in the standard form, that is coefficient of dv by dy must be 1. So we multiply with minus 2. Whole equation is multiplied by minus 2. So we have here we will have 2 by y, v equal to minus 2 over y cube. So we can see this is linear, which is linear. Here dependent variable is v and independent variable is y. So we compare this equation with standard form of linear differential equation in dependent variable v and independent variable y. So that is going to be py into v equal to ry. So coefficient of v is py and this is right hand side. Py, that is function of y, equal to 2 divided by y, and ry equal to minus 2 over y cube. Now as we know, next step is we find out integrating factor, that is going to be e to the power integral of py with respect to y. This is going to be e to the power integral of 2 by y, integral of 1 over y is ln y. So this we can rewrite as e to the power ln y square, which is equal to y square. Now we write down the general solution. Therefore the general solution is, here dependent variable is v times integrating factor equal to ry, that is right hand side, times integrating factor, independent variable is y, so we write dy plus c. Integrating factor is y square, therefore v times y square equal to r of y, that is minus 2 over y cube. Minus 2 over y cube, integrating factor is y square dy plus c. Therefore v times y square equal to minus 2 constant can be taken outside. Here we will be left with 1 by y plus c, and value of v is e raised to minus 2x. Therefore e raised to minus 2x y square equal to minus 2 ln y plus c, or this we can rewrite as y square over e raised to 2x equal to ln y raised to minus 2 plus c, or we can keep this as it is. So this is the general solution of given differential equation where c is arbitrary constant. So this is the another type of differential equations which can be converted into linear ones by the substitution, but here we will be careful. If we have function of x with py, we can adjust, or we should write our equation so that derivative of fx is adjust with dx by dy equal to ry. And if our differential equation is in this form, we can consider fx equal to v, so that this term will also be converted in terms of derivative of v with respect to y. So this is all about this session. In the next session we will discuss some more type of differential equations which can be converted into linear differential equations. Thank you very much.